Hey bakers, welcome back. Today we're going to be making polvorones my style, which are called wedding cookies. So here are my ingredients. We're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1/2 of sugar, this whole thing of crisco, which is 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of almond, some walnuts, and 2 teaspoons of confectioner sugar. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to start with the sugar, which is the 1/2 cup. Excuse me, which is the 1/2 cup. And then we are going to mix. We're going to mix the crisco with the sugar. And we are going to blend this together. Just mix until it's all mixed very well. You know, these cookies are fun to make because they're super easy to make. And you can make them, you know, any time of the day. Okay, so just get yourself a little spoon and let me just grab this really quick. And just put it all down. Make sure it's all mixed in there, because just stir it out slowly. So now we're going to add our, okay guys, so now we're going to add the vanilla, the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And your 1 teaspoon of almond. And we're going to continue mixing. Okay, so now we're going to add our 2 cups of flour. One. 2. And we're going to also add our walnut. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to mix all this together until it starts like cracking. Make sure you get everything in there, and then everything is, don't leave any lard in there, any crisco lard. Mix it until okay. So now we are going to mix it by hand until we form a ball. And as you're going and you are mixing it, it starts coming together. You know, don't worry if it cracks on you. That's okay. And just as long as you mix it and it starts coming together, and you keep mixing it, and you have to keep mixing it with your hands till you form a ball. As you're going, it starts coming together. Get everything, you know, as you're mixing it. As you're mixing, you can take everything and just mix it with your hands very well. Please make sure your hands are quite clean when doing this. Okay, so. And these are gonna go in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. So, we're gonna start forming a ball. And don't worry if, like, you know, as like I said, you keep mixing it and you keep doing this with it. Okay, and there you have it, guys. It should look like this. Okay, now we are going to get our parchment paper and put that aside. We're going to get our parchment paper, guys, and we are going to start making little our wedding cookies, our polvorones, they're called in Spanish, polvorones. And I make them about this big, or however big you want them, you know. But I make them about this big, as you guys can see. And you just put them here, but make sure your oven is preheated to 350. And then you just, you know, put them on this like this. You lay them on your, and it's okay if it, like I said, if it cracks, all you have to do is just keep going, you know, stirring, mixing it like this, making your little balls. Like I said, whatever size you guys want, it's up to you. You can also make little prints on it. You like this. And you can put jam in here, or you can put Nutella. You can put I don't know, whatever favorite jam you like, or whatever preservative you like. If you want that. But I know that in some people they just make the little round balls like this for cookies. These are fun to make with your kids, you know, your kids with kids, or, you know, grandparents, I don't know, whoever you want to make them with, and, you know, they will enjoy this. You can make this for Mother's Day, a nice gift, you know, a little bag or a little basket, you know, with, you know, I think that would be a nice gift also. See, as I'm going, I have to make sure that, I mean, I don't have to make sure the same. But it's up to you, however you want to, you know, like I said, however you want. How big do you want these? So, okay, so I'm going to do a little bit more before I put them in the oven. Because they're going to be in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. And they taste amazing, these little cookies. And you can drizzle them with chocolate, you can drizzle them with sprinkles, however you like it. However you want them to be. Okay guys, so I'll be back. I'm gonna put this in the oven, like I said, at 350 for 15 minutes. So I'll see you soon for the next step. Okay guys, so I just took them out of the oven and they're still warm. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some confectioner sugar on them. Because remember, these are called polvorones. They're supposed to be called, well, they call them wedding cookies. But these are my wedding cookies, my style. I just let them cool down for a little bit, maybe for about half an hour before I eat them. But I'm going to show you right now what I made earlier, because I made some earlier. So here they are. Look at that, how pretty that is. Okay, so then I went ahead and made some earlier. I made some with chocolate, you know, like I said, however you want to make them, and for wherever you want to make them. I made this one with chocolate with hearts, you know, and just, you know, whatever idea you want to use for. And then I went ahead and I put them in a little baggie like this. You know, if you want to give it to somebody, or you can put your chocolate ones in there. Just an idea, just to give you an idea what you want to use them for. So there you go, guys. So So I'm gonna go ahead and taste one and see how it turned out. So I'm gonna taste this one. Very good. It's delicious. So guys, amazing. You're amazing. Anyway, so guys, I hope you do try this recipe and give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. And don't forget, thumbs up guys, and subscribe guys, okay? Thank you.